This is Justin with Green Residential. Today I'd like to show you how to replace a filter that's a whole house filter. So this is the AC system. We're up in the attic. You can see all the AC ducts going from the AC to the house. This is the intake where the return air comes. So the AC filter for this type of system is right here. And what you do is you just simply open the hatch, and you need to take this entire door off. There's this little tab thing that you just pull out like that. It acts as a hinge. And so this here is the filter. As you can see, it's much wider than your kind of basic standard filter. Your normal filter is like 1 inch. This one here is 4 inches. So if you pull it out, you'll see it's pretty much a basic filter, just much bigger, much thicker. You can see how deep it is. Now, to replace this filter, you would simply take out the old one and put the new one in. However, you want to make sure to get the arrow lined up correctly with the airflow. So in this system, the air comes from here. This is the return. It goes through the filter, goes through the AC, gets cooled, and goes back into the house. So the airflow is in this direction, so we want to make sure to put that in there in that direction. If you look in here, you can see like this right here is the fan for the blower for the system, for the AC system. So anyways, we're going to put it in there. Just slide it in. You don't want to crunch anything. Should slide in there easily. Sometimes they can get caught on things. There we go. So I slid that back in there, and then just reverse the process. Put that little tab back in there and close it up. And that is how you replace a whole house filter in an AC unit. Hope this was helpful. Bye for now.